Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yeah, man, and good morning to all my friends and enemies. Yeah, man, on the voice of Breda Milla. He's really glad to be alive in a seat on the 16th of January 2025. 16, yeah, man. Today, 16th of January. 16, my favorite number. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The same number 16. Yeah, man. Me wear all through my schoolboy football career from 1979 at States in a seat. Yeah, man. To 1982. 82 at Knibb. I went to media States. They used to call me 16. You know, see it? Yeah, man. Because brothers Anthony Corbett and the man and say, boy, they used to call me 16. Yeah, man. And they used to call me ageable. Because Anthony Brothers Corbett when say, boy, yes, Mr. Yes, Mr. Yes, Twinkle Brothers, Mr. Grant. Yeah, man.
Stop this morning.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me go, yeah, they do a thing. Yeah, for myself and about other myself. Yeah, man. We go do the interview, brother. Yeah, man. We go talk, man.
All right.
Yeah, man. That is Twinkle Brothers. Me I use it with Michelin father, all of them father, Michelin my teammate. In a seat. Friends, article friend from Barry school days, go right and Knibb school through. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Michelin. But as I say now, now go back and big up yourself, Ali. In a seat. So, as I say, now go back and I say, but yeah, man. For me, to the States. Yeah, man. Because I go to States when I'm 14 years old, 14 years old. 14 years old, I States. So, I drop on state school, come home at 13. Yeah, man, 13. And by the time, yeah, man, in July, my birthday, I become 14. And brothers and the man is Anthony Brothers Corbett. Yeah, man, yeah, man. Yeah, man, my protector and mentor in a seat at States 1979. I'll big up all the man them 1979 still, you know. Brothers was mine, yeah, man. So brothers and the man is say, boy, me are 14 years old, and me are 16. Can tell me the beat up and I'm full of hair and I'm look like a big man. And brother say, boy, in a seat. And he start coming ageable in a seat. And he call me Sweet 16. Because when they D Cup season started, I'm the youngest man from States D Cup side, you know. 1979, you know. And when the jersey them come, you know. The first match States of 1979. First D Cup match. The man him say, remember I said the number 16 jersey, you know, of the age, you know. And the man they look out for me, you know, man, and protect me, you know, man. So me I go on a short history. I just a short speech about when me there States. Because I don't want to calm mood right now, you know. You know which I don't want because it's like a different person that speak to me right now. Because I give thanks to all who that tune into the voice of Breda Milla. And the voice of Breda Milla, voice of I really heard right now. But locally and internationally. I'm glad for that. Yes, Iyah. Because you see when I go build my YouTube channel, I'm going to name it. Because I love Trillani, you know. I'm going to name my YouTube channel, you know, man. Trillani I come from, you know. Trillani I come from. Just like how when Charlie Blacks always say, boy, they big up Trillani. I said I'm going to name my YouTube channel. But when I land they put it together, because I put my YouTube channel together, when I choose a name there, one name upon YouTube, one channel upon YouTube, name almost the same Trillani we come from thing. I'm say, I hear me Lando, just put the voice of Breda Milla, brother. I'm glad to know say boy at the voice of Breda Milla. You know see it. Yeah, man, did use. Yeah, man. So as what I tell you, I just give a small talk when they are States. Number 16, me play now. Today 16 of January. Number 16, big up myself Mr. D. The same number 16. I just Mr. D, you know, like social.
You see man like Mr. D and certain man too like the when I say Mr. D, no, not Mr. Windale Dunzel, no, Mr. Shanavan de Souza, the principal of Porton Academy. The man that like the highlights on the social media thing. I'm going to big up Sean. Yeah man, Sean. You know see it. I'm not going to tell you because Sean going to want to tell you. When me put on number 16 at Knibb, and Sean take up number 16. Because I mean Sean was a power, and Iyah and the man is a power Knibb. The younger ones them. I see him like how bad as them to protect me and to love me and rate me. I see him to protect Sean them and love and rate Sean them and Iyah. Yeah man. You see it? That's why same Charles Bat's brother when he called Iyah and me them give me name Iyah Affi. You know see it? Just like I want tracksuit as testing called Beds and me them give him Beds name Affi. Come and tell us something people. You see me come on to sports. All the sports youth them love me. All the board you know see it? Because you can love a man and a certain levels. You know see it? Because we not carnal minded. It's all about love. That's why anywhere me go, we touch people and people rate me and respect me. Especially when they come on to sports. Because when they come on to sports, me crazy. You see it? Me that sports fanatic. Because I know what sports can do. You know see it? But what? I don't want cool and calm mode this morning. Cool and calm mode. Because of what? Because of Mr. Keith. Because of Mr. Falloon. Mr. Falloon, you see it? Because yesterday, man, say me burn the fire, and me blow, and me start burn fire. Come I post up on content early this morning. Come in do it for Monday. Come in do it. We show Nita certain things are fall mode. Because my future come go down on corners. Because who watch the content, you stop on Nita when Nita them used to live. You know, see me do a recording and show when Nita used to live. And we pick a bone used to live. And I go down the line now and circle and touch them a compound. I mean, I'm PMP most and all of the reason. That Christine, that my friend from long time. And we are talking, I mean, them there. So while we post up this morning, and what it take place for Monday. You know see it? For Monday, Corinne, Christine birthday and Corinne memorial. Yes. So all the sisters in the Corinne. You see me now forget all the lady there. So I'm a circle and I'm a circle center and show center and I come down pan something there. You know see, because I don't want to show Nita the part where them tear down and build them so-called dropping center and all them things. But I don't touch upon the top of it too. That's the content this morning. But when I talk about this morning now, you know see it, I don't want calm mood right now. I'm not make it too long. You can see me about me quirky planting and bulgur. First time I drink bulgur porridge, man. I over Knibb school, you know. During the camp, you know. I pay a bulgur porridge juice to get, you know. I tell you now. Big up. I was a cook for them time. I miss Chixie. You know see, when we can't remember most of the people them still, but I tell them man, them days it is nice. And Knibb school first me start drinking bulgur porridge. Yes. Yeah man, so I'm a bulgur yes so mix up with plantain. As usual. My favorite thing, my favorite Johnny cake them. And then my mama and then my mother used to give me. Them a Johnny cake, me love. Big up the festival still no much, but that's why I love me dumpling them, you know, Johnny cake them. And yeah man, and it's a fritters. Yeah man, so what me I say now? I wish point me the point right now. Yeah man. And this is the 1982 Knibb school jersey. Kind of appear sweat top and joggers me like beat, you know. Come like jacket and tie, you know. But when you come on a certain occasion, I know if you dress. Come like go to Knibb school to come out. I touch Knibb school come more. So all the PMP they pass through. The PMP can do them campaign and the motorcade, but right now, at Knibb school, I got to spend some of the time today. Because the 16th of January, at Knibb school, today like I was a Founders Day. I was burn fire yesterday, man, and I come back, they start up my thing, you know. I check my WhatsApp thing, you know, message them, you know. A catfish send me one you know, see it, one photo. You know, see it. I go into the message and I click on this thing and I start read it. And say Founders Day. I zoom the picture. I see the right thing. And it say Mr. Falloon. Mr. Falloon. Mr. Falloon still alive? Eh? Mr. Falloon still alive? I said, no, brother. You know, see it. Me Affi. You know, see it, because normally, you know, I tell the person Knibb school founders, really Knibb school founders day, you know. Because when they juggle at Knibb school, you know, man, I'm going to take all the pictures of founders day, you know, because they have some activities, you know, when they have some banner competition and all them sitting. Because I'm going to try Knibb school covered, you know, man. From 1999, you know. You know, see, to 2015, you know. Every activities take over Knibb, you know. I bet me to take pictures of them, you know. You know, see, I'm going to charge the school, you know. I'm going to charge the school when they come on to doing the school ID and it's something there. And graduation. I never used to make no bag of money out of it. I don't touch upon them things still, you know. But we come back to my school and I come serve my school. That's why I touch back on Knibb 1999 and start take picture. I mislead a principal same way. You know, see, I mislead us. Just bust me big time and love me over the school to do all I want. Then time I take picture for $50. And I support this school. But when the school keep them function, I don't charge the school. When the school want passport size picture of a champs, I don't charge the school. Certain things I don't charge the school. Because they give me opportunity. And me as a man, I take me $50 picture and send me to a boy to high school. So they can get a knowledge. Everybody did know Bucky and everybody did know Knibb. Because put them, when Bucky come on Knibb school, Bucky was so popular and so famous. Because I put them in picture in all the two. And the plaque in all the two, I put up pictures, the history of Knibb school. I go build plaque and put it and show the history the whole way. For 19, I used to play for Knibb school back in the days, the glorious days of Knibb school football. At first, I address a public gathering. Because I carry the plaque, go over school, and I say, boy, bed, you have to go and say something to the student them. You have to go say something to the student them. I'm brave enough and just make a speech. Because I'm not a man of many words. Because I try to speak fluently. That's why I big up all Soko and the man who can speak English language fluently. So when Nita tell me, say, boy, I can speak, I just laugh, but big up to Nita still. But what I say, today, I found us there, because when Catfish send me the message, big up yourself, Catfish. Because we link up, see me, we all link up, you know, upon the levels, you know. Because I love Knibb School. I love William Knibb Memorial High School. You know, see it. Because the best of my life, them, was at William Knibb Memorial High School, and the one in Spinner States. My high school days, that's why I have pictures and pictures. That's why you're glad when you have a photographer can go to the school and capture your high school memories. Photographer and do them thing again. No photographer and do them thing because they now go to the school company and sit down with no picture and take no picture with no $50 and no $100 and no $200. I'm the only photographer. Go up on the schools man, and capture high school memories. That's why most of the people them love me and have great amount of respect for me. I mean, I let down people on a certain levels. Because I tried Babylon different now. I tried Babylon different because I saw Babylon run right now. But as I say, in the state, I continue upon the topic. Mr. Falloon is alive. Eh? Because Mrs. Lee used to correspond on, you know, see, on Facebook, you know. Yeah, man. When she retired from her principalship, you know. I miss winter too. Because I must make some things. Because I miss a vocal on Facebook. You know, see it. I miss winter, I make certain comments one time. In the time when me and him been in some argument about our ball thing, I make certain speech, yeah man, pan Facebook. I miss winter when endorse what me say. Yeah man. Yeah. I believe most of Mrs. Winter when it's supposed to, yeah man, you know see it. Mrs. Winter when endorse what me say. But as I say, back to Mr. Falloon. We tell people say, because nothing can, because me say, if Mr. Falloon is still alive right now, if Mr. Falloon is still alive and can give a lecture, can we read the thing what Cash said me now, and say Mr. Falloon, I will be the lecturer at Knibb School Founders Day today. It has started 2 o'clock. It has started 2 o'clock, Knibb School Founders Day today now. And Mr. Falloon go lecture. 2 o'clock he must start. But I want to go meet him before he start giving lecture and so forth. Because I tell people say, I'm Mr. Falloon, give me the name Bed Milla. Mr. Falloon, give me the name Bed Milla. Because I grew up as a boy with the F, with the not fit for airplane name beside the bed. You know, see it. People call me so same, you know, because the other man is Scallopop. You know, see it. Scallopop spill it out. Yeah, man. Yes. And since me left, man, I call me Mr. Bed. Man call me Joe Grind. You know, see it. Ageable, Sweet 16, all them names, you understand me pass through. Yeah, man. You know, see it. So as I say, yeah, man, and Mr. Falloon give me the name Bed Milla. Because it's when the first Dakasta Cup match, 1980, because 1979, all of me the youngest youth on States Dakasta Cup side. Only one match me get game now. And when States did play the cartridge over States. And we have the cartridge, 7 love you have the cartridge. And then put me on the field. Put me on the field. At the time in 1979 State side, at the only Dakasta Cup side play entire competition and don't consider goal. No, don't consider single goal. I never make it to the final because Klein in the interzone when Klein and College when score one more goal more than States. That's why States never reach the final. But States did win Honor 16, 1979. When Mr. Wendell Donzilla coach States, Honor 16 side him time there. You know, see it. And me lead States Honor 16 the year there. Me and Mark Senior. You know, see it. And win Honor 16. Because 1979 States because Mr. D when tell me said 1979 States when win all because I have to know the States when win Honor 16 cricket too. With Pumpkin on a Monday and Snake. Yeah man. Snake. Pumpkin and Snake. And then when they play cricket. 1979 States win Honor 16 football, Honor 16 cricket. And me was the main player. The States Honor 16 in time there. Yes. So me I tell you. So as what me I say. You see it. And Mr. Falloon, because 1980 in my first match me play. The first match me play. Schoolboy football match, start in 11. Then tiny, you see, they can't name most of the man them who when they play them time. But then tiny, I'm me and Zaydi in the midfield. You see, then you have Shaba, Elder Right, I play forward. I be Esther when they play forward too, then time too. A 2 midfielder, you see. Yeah man. Yes. Yeah man, you have Gimmi at the goal, you know see it. And Dinah, you know see it. And Michelin, you know see it. And Iyah and Scratchy Murray I play defense. You know see it. And come and tell you, Shabba, Elder Wright, I was a Shabba, Elder Wright, and Charlie Brown. I was a Esther when I play forward. Leroy when Esther when I play forward in time. I was Esther when I play forward in time. If we know, yeah man, I'm and Zayde play. A 4 midfielder, two midfielders used to use. Me and Zayde play midfield. You know see it. And Michelin and Dinah and Scratchy Murray and Michelin and Dinah on the 2 wing back them. And Iyah and Scratchy Murray I play defense. And you know see it. And Gimmi at the goal. I say 1980, in a seat. The first match against Cornwall College in a Cornwall backyard. 1980, Cornwall when the only team in a zone A. You man win the Costa Cup, 6-time the Costa Cup champion. Come I go, me not talk long enough man. Because me talk how me get the name Bed Milla, you know. Come I not go really talk too long because I never start myself because I really see Mr. Falloon, because I want to take a picture of Mr. Falloon. Mr. Falloon, the main reason why I go to school today. Because nobody ever, and thank you Catfish, because I never know nothing about the Founders Day thing. And Mr. Falloon, me not in the see I want to go see. And take a picture of Mr. Falloon. Because a picture says 1,000 words. That's why I love to take a picture and in a house full of paper picture. I can cover my borders right now with paper picture. From both inside and outside. Pay a picture. And Mr. Falloon, you know, see it. Come here a picture with Miss Lee, you know, and Usain Bolt, you know, and I can blow up on all them sitting, you know. But we don't have no picture with Mr. Falloon. And I have to take Mr. Falloon picture today. And I go back to the argument now, 1980. Because I tell people, say, brethren, me used to sit down a sideline, a Falmouth Center. And say Cornwall beat up Knibb, you know, brother. Some way, you know, man. Cornwall College, you know. With man like Jump and Bly and them man from Cornwall, you know. Then Cornwall dominate football in a Western Jamaica, you know, brother. You know, see it. And that me I tell them about we the warriors at Knibb 19 when we go to some local youth from, you know, see it, from the ghetto era of Falmouth. You know, see it. High and I put when it come on to schoolboy football and team sport, all of me is Audrey Steele and girl did come forth in a girls' champs. You know, see it. I think you know, back in the days when man was sit on a center and I watch Cornwall beat up Knibb. You see one match Cornwall and Knibb. I must about 6 Cornwall Knibb, you know. You know, see it. 1978, you know. Me there center sideline, you know. And see one Cornwall boy, Wall Charles, you know. And Charles rush the Cornwall youth, the Cornwall Salad Charles, and Charles come back again. Bam! Salad Charles again. Yes, 2 times man Salad Charles. Big up yourself, Charles. You know see? Yeah man, Charles, yeah man, that psyche them, psyche, you know say, psyche little brother, little brother. Cinnabone's best friend back in the days, called Charles and Cinnabone is the park. It's man, Charles is the coach, a part of the coaching team, 1980, 1981. When time Mr. Jackson did gone go step up him thing in the coaching thing. And Charles and Mr. Whiteley when they were on this side, 81. Big up yourself, Charles. Mr. Charles Clark in Charles in him. Me watch, yeah man, Cornwall destroy, you see, I'm about 6 Cornwall when get the day there. That's why I hear with the link up, you know. I'm going to ask Iyah when Neville went send Iyah, when Neville did send a part of Chilana and 40, Neville did send Iyah, Dinah, Shabba, you know, see it, and Zayde from Chilana and 40 gone Knibb. And them man never did send gone Knibb, you know. You know, see it. Because Charlie Bone, and Esther, and English, when them pass in common entrance and they are Knibb already. But all the man I call, the man get the scholarship from Mr. Neville Glanville. you see special players them like me and Bumpy. If you notice the school of Bumpy, they go Calabar. Bumpy they go Calabar. Because yeah man, because Calabar win Manning Cup 1977. You know see? So never have Bumpy with him and carry Bumpy at town with him and send Bumpy. You know see? Send Bumpy a Calabar. You understand me? And send me a state. He send me a Senior Bones a states. In time the states they played D Cup final 1977. He sent General Wormwood. Them time the school have played D Cup before Knibb. Wormwood. He sent Mama in the state. A Veer, Mama and Steve Fighter and Yatta. And the man when you understand when got Veer. But as I say, in the seat. So what me I say, you see 1980. When me drop back on the come here ask Iyah if 1979 when they got Knibb, if they will win, if they will win no match. Me asked Iyah last night, I know you know to respond to me. You want to respond to me? You want to respond to me message here? But what me I say, it's in 1980, that's the turning point of Knibb school football starting point when people start take up Knibb school and start respect Knibb school in a Western Jamaica. When I go in a carnival backyard and destroy carnival in a seat. True love, true wicked them. If I win something, if I win 3-1 in a seat. Remember if them did score, but Charlie Bone scored 2 goals in a seat. In the seat and held the right, English score 1. In the seat. And that match, in the seat, me was the most outstanding player in that game. Yes, come and name the ring up on radio waves. Because the match when commentary pan. Then the radio waves are bring commentary. In the seat. And it's what me and the rest of youth them though. The rest of youth them from the ghetto part of Falmouth, because most of we come from who don't live a compound, live near compound. Who don't live on something they live down on Cemetery Road and all them sitting there. In a seat. Yeah man, God just been part of the squad them time, but just been named, yeah man, just when never played in the first match. You know see. But Esther live because Esther a compound man. Dinah a compound man. Michelin a compound man. You know see. Shabba a compound man. You know see. Me a compound man. Me a compound man. You know see. Yeah man. You come from you are Freedom Street man. Same many call Newton Street there. Jardy Street them he was to live. Get up part of Falmouth them time now, yes. You a Newton Street, a Jardy Street man. You know see. Right, you can't say right a compound man same because right back a compound. Let me live same way. You know see. Yeah man. I'm going to Scotchy Murray and Charlie Bone come from here. Yes. And Gimmi must have come from Jackson Town and them place there. Yeah man. Esther and Zadie or something there. A Queen Street man. They can call it Jardy Street area same way. Zadie come from one of the ghetto area. And the ghetto area Falmouth me I talk about, you know. Poor people pitney, ghetto people pitney. Put when you come on to sports, put William Knibb on the map. You know see. We want to know that. Ghetto people pitney, poor people pitney. Start the thing at William the Memorial High School. Yeah man. I want to know that. I'm going to tell you, when I talk from, it start 1980. The thing, yeah man, the revival start 19, the awakening start 1980. And that me come to talk about them. I come to talk about on PMP and on JLP thing, you know. I talk about my history, you know. My black story, you know. Because Ziggy Man never sang about yes it. But the black story, you know. Virgin, have to secure it. In a Babylon right now, you have to make people know the great works that you put on. And start running behind start running back at these political people them, who are brainwashing people them, and handle nothing. Then go brainwash the people them. Just like the church people them, brainwash the people them same way. Because you have good churches, you know. Because God don't come from no church, you know. God come from people, you know. Because God didn't tell God didn't tell Abraham, say, He's going to make him be a father of many nations. You know, dig them argument there. So no Christian man can come control me and tell me a bag of foolishness. Because me wise up. Me are telling the history of schoolboy football at Knibb. And I'm telling the brethren, if you secure this, I sweat up here. Because I don't get nothing, we get my education from Knibb, you know. The reason why I don't find anybody know me upon Knibb school, upon half of the field, because I'm sticking in my classroom. Because I'm the brightest boy, we can ask, you know, because you can't take my history from me, you know. In a 9th grade, I'm the brightest boy in a 9th grade, you know. Almost a 9.5, you see, yeah. Because I left states, I straight to 9th grade, I go. I go down 7th grade and 8th grade, 9th grade, I go, at Knibb. I went to go touch on the 9th grade, and I say, a pair of girls are coming to the top 10. Pair of girls are coming to the top 10. And I'm going to go break the spell. And I go get a youth from Falloon who father nobody used to mind and take care of me and my mother alone. I'm slow. You understand me? Yes. I'm a big brother seen a bones doing hustling and so forth. Yeah, man, help out my schooling. So when you see man I tried Babylon, I'm gonna come I tried this school today, brother. I mean, sometimes I have to skin up my teeth again when I certain levels. This is what I have to show. Because in school 50th anniversary, I don't get no recognition, I don't get no medal, I have nothing to say boy. And I transfer in school football. That's where Anthony Badascarbe tell me, say, Iyah, don't sorry say you left states, Iyah. Anthony Badascarbe tell me, say, Iyah, give thanks to your God, Knibb gonna make a difference. And I gonna make a difference. You know, see. I just unfortunate I win the Augusta Cup. And because of Iyah mismanagement. From long time with the new school coming up in the system. Then get a hard time for Iyah. I'm partial. I speak the truth. Because we get a raw deal for Iyah 1982. Because if she don't win the Augusta Cup 1982. 1982, Knibb was the people's champion. But we beat up Cornwall, draw with Cornwall, Jarrett Park. One of the biggest crowd in time, the Jarrett Park full to capacity. When him draw 1-1, and they come from the backyard, the biggest crowd, the biggest gathering of football event, a sporting event and Knibb. And 1982 match between Cornwall College and William the Memorial High School, over Knibb school in a Knibb school backyard. A tool of Cornwall get. When he was score and put it on come and score. 1982. Knibb school 1982 boys them are the best Knibb school side ever. Since in the seat. Alongside the ball bill come up 2002. You know see, I just shooting on those, so I just shooting those coming out because I'm Mr. Falloon, I go just want Mr. Yeah man. Can I go back to the argument now? It's 1980 when we destroy Cornwall in a Cornwall backyard. The Monday morning devotion. Because it's all alpha when I left Cornwall, chop from Cornwall, come back to Falmouth. Yeah man. Peer celebration in the bus, brother. Coaster bus that we traveling at. Peer celebration goes straight to Falmouth. Peer enjoyment. When we touch all Falmouth, you know see, the whole of Falmouth people them, you know see, happy and glad. At the same time, when we back in time when the guys show and I'm sorry. You see, the whole of Falmouth happy. You want to destroy Cornwall in a Cornwall backyard. You know see. And then Monday morning devotion. When the principal them times are following the principal and dress the school in the auditorium. And my name ring up in them in the seat. Comes a follow and say, outstanding performance by Milla. In the seat. I start because
start telling yeah man, talking to the coach. Outstanding performance by Charles Ben Milla. You know, see, so come we get the name, so come, you see, so come bed, put before the Milla. And he call me Bed Milla, everybody call me Bed Milla. So Falloon give me that name. That's why I embrace myself now. Sound something, eat the milk of, see I'm power that. You know, see, but me, Mr. Falloon, I don't want to picture Mr. Falloon. I want to if Mr. Falloon can, I call it, remember if you remember the and the principal was so happy with no one said. The beat in Wakano, the beat up Knibb. You know, see, Knibb entered the class of 1978. A big history I'm going in. He entered the class of 1978. And he take, when 79, when Iyah them go to go and do them thing. And when I drop in, and when we drop in on the 1980. Because when Charlie go on the Monday, because if I got home with it now. Because I left States, I home with me there now. I left States 79 now. I home with me there now, man, at trial now. Up at home with it now. And the reason why home not take me now, because home with that States we have some problem with some cricket thing. And home with principal say non-take no state student. Because I home with the general them and control on the man there. I home with it now. 1918 now. Yeah man. Before the D-Cup season of doing all the part of camp time there now. You know see. Because home with it want me. Because I destroy home with it now. 79 under 16 you know. A 5-2 home would get from States you know. The first time my first schoolboy, it's a schoolboy match 1979 now. A 5-2 me look. Yeah, my whole home with a States you know. First time I play a competitive match pan States field you know. A 2 me score you know. 2 me score against something there now. Against one more you know. One more get 5-2. You can ask Milla, Michael Pritchard. And the thing about it, you know, made it pass technical entrance. Figure out home, I'm going to take transfer. And go States. Because I don't get scholarship already. I want people to know, say, me did pick up, because I never going to make me choose between States and Clarendon College. Because he bring me before, you know, see, when I get my football scholarship, which I never going to bring me before O'Neil Russell and Peter Perkins. I asked me which school I want to go. I'm telling him I want to go States. Because I'm just Noel Sweetie Smith and Windell Duns and them destroy village. For center field. You know, so I'm going to take time out. I want if Lando can make Lando write my autobiography. I'm going to start dig up my thing and make Lando write my history. I think I want normal youth to see us. I'm sorry if anybody take my football career serious. And when I left school, I know John Barnes and him and I make big enough money out of football. Because when I at their school, them make it look like a uncle they put them in the bride take part in the sports. All us they want all of us to be doctors and lawyers and you can't speak English. Come to their school and tell them say if you don't pass maths and English, you know see, you can't get no work. You understand? Just like all know at the same thing I go on now same way. So when you pass maths and English, so when I go back on the mom, I just go learn trade because my mother couldn't afford to send me to school too. That's why in 1983 when the Alamak begged me, Mr. Halton, Mr. Mark begged me to come back to school. Mr. Mark tell me say boy bed, buy your uniform, me give everything, just come back to school. 83, I'm gonna go back. Because I start work and I start make my money and start live life at Ochi. You know see it? Yeah man. With my brother Baba and Booby and him man and Bap and him man and start live life and yeah man and start angle money. Then time we get all $100. Can buy whole heap of sitting, whole heap of clothes. Because the first time we get my first pay slip, much $100 I get back in the days. And I go how you go shopping. They got how you go shopping and all them sitting there. Sinclair Bargain Center. 83 in time, I look for you and start hanging money. But help up the family. It's a long story, you know. But it's my story, you know. In a city. And the black man story, you know. And the ghetto man story, you know. In a city. That's why I said back in the days, you look on them, after you guys, them say, and they're not so bright putting in play sports. That's why students that didn't get fight over the years. That's why I can me believe all churches share the same sentiments. Why sure me not touch on that thing, but as I say, I don't follow me once. Just follow me one for meet and greet. Because the thing I didn't know, because I never go close. I gone 40 minutes now. Because I never go the last time I went last year, when time I Shanti in the seat. Shanti and that the taxi budget in Shanti. Yeah man, in the seat. Yeah man, was going that Sunday. In the seat, Shanti when I left football, so the man that love football. Shanti and me and bump for League Knibb. In the seat, the center. I never the reason. I mean, I've never seen why he never send me gone. Because I never tell me Mr. Falloon did want to go away. It's children under 14 youths them. I was the most talented and the best set of footballers in Jamaica. Children under 14 boys them. Because in our first match against Ellens Flat at center. In our first match against Ellens Flat at center, at Falmouth Center. When we put ball and bounce ball on Ellens Flat under 16 boy them. And the man in front town because they were the day they have a football extravaganza at center. And we play the first match. And we hold Ellens Flat and boy them and drop some ball upon them. The man him say, the town man him say, not even a major league then say ball roll so. Not even in a major league at town. Then say ball roll so. We put ball and ground together. Mr. Never Glanville. The man called Jamaica Juveniles. And the reason why Mr. Never Glanville make the whole of it Knibb, because he said Jacko couldn't manage it. Jacko would have rolled it back. Chulani and the 14 boys in the seat in the 1978, about find out 1978, never come see it and put it together. Because you have Smokey United and Lion out and put Smokey and Lion together and drive. I play most Smokey in the seat and Lion out. Players. Play for Chulani 14. The Chulani and the 14 boys them were the best set of youngsters in Jamaica when they come on to football. That's why Uncle Timmy Sorry said never they send the whole of it gone Knibb. If never went saying imagine if Bumpy went gone Knibb. Imagine if General went gone Knibb. Imagine if Funky went gone Knibb. Imagine if Stewart was in the gone Knibb. Imagine if Yetta went there Knibb as a keeper. Knibb would win that Costa Cup from 1979. Me are telling you that. So we go close by because, as I say, just want to link Mr. Falloon and take a picture of Mr. Falloon and Glorious come up on the school compound. You understand me? I don't Mr. Falloon me want to say. Him give me the name Bed Miller. Him give me it's a bastard pitney. It's a bastard pitney. Me have bitterness within me, you know. Because through my high school days, you know, I don't see no father, you know, brother. And my father was the richest man in Trinidad, you know. Richest black man, you know. But what I say, you have to forgive people still and move on with their life. So poor people pitney, when they get no talent, when God gives you no talent, when you utilize no talent, you know, say, and take on yourself with the poverty and help the people them. Because the government people they not help you know. Because look what they do Usain Bolt. Eh? Look what they do Usain Bolt. You know see.
Because I got close my sense that them people that don't love because you stand corrected, you know. Because I make some statement yesterday, you know. Because I don't know if I really push the bill Catherine and I will build Catherine and so forth. If Catherine will build in a by Boots Scrolling, between Boots Scrolling and Portia, you know, see, or PJ build Catherine. But the point of view, what me I say, when Usain Bolt retire in a 2017, done with tractor, because Usain Bolt, when we want to retire from 2016, and then say, because world athletics, we want to make them money. Because Usain Bolt coach, because it's an interview when Usain Bolt saying coach, don't go to the World Games 2017, and Bolt saying he does go because people they buy them ticket to see him. And Bolt saying he no regret saying go still. Because Bolt man retire from 2016 when he done Rio. You see when Bolt done Rio and Bolt go back 2017 and get him beaten and pull up in the wheel, Bolt just retire from the thing and start dealing with the thing. You see? And imagine, because Mr. Keith Wellington tell me say at 2017, the last time Wellington time, keep catching all, you know. And Miles tell me say at 2018, you know. You see? But what me I say, I'm going to close, I'm still bitter about it. What me I say, you see? You see? Fear. With the sporting thing what Jamaica Chinese, them good for building and all them. See, the Chinese people, they can't run like we. China not talented like we. But China talented in other ways. We talented in a sports. When it come out to track and field and football, same way too. Because when Craig Buckler tell us the Jamaica can win World Cup, we don't allow Craig Buckler to scan. Yeah man, when the Jamaica can win World Cup, I mean Jamaica can win World Cup. Jamaica can win World Cup football because Jamaica have 4 months to dominate track and field. For about 8 years, 4 men put together. Asafa Powell, Usain Bolt, in a seat. Nesta Carter, in a seat, and in a seat. And plus Ewan Blake, in a seat. Yes. And Michael Fruit and the man there, combine a change. And that's it. And the whole of them, they dominate. World sprinting. Jamaican people. And imagine, you want to deal with track and field. It's nowhere catching all surface. You're watching a run down. Catching all surface should never running in nowhere. You should keep and maintain. Just like what GC Foster keep and maintain. You don't know how because the Google certain things last night friend that who will catching all come out. But Miles send me one clippings of the argument that the people at the court them attack and I start reading something about catching on. And they say much of the first Western champs keep catching on about 2004. So the first Western champs keep catching on 2004. That means say during PG time and so forth. Catching on was set up. But Usain Bolt retired 2017 and 2018 the last time. Track and field keep. They call it the Western Jamaica, they call it the synthetic track. None of the youth say in Western Jamaica now went on a synthetic track for 7 years now, 7, 8 years now. You see it? You should be ashamed on yourself. You should be ashamed on yourself. I mean, I'm beep on the argument now again. You should be ashamed on yourself. That's why I want to pan down behind on politics thing again, brother. What is it tonight? Tonight I might walk up in town and go listen to Margie and listen to them. I mean, I know Harwich thing and then they see them after. But me we are going to school on the day, I want to build back in school and see me can listen, sit down and listen to Mr. Falloon. Because if Mr. Falloon is still alive, I can lecture. That's stalwart of a man that big, a man big. So I want to know what Mr. Falloon feed when I want to eat for making know he's still alive same way. I can have memory, I can put on a lecture. And Mr. Falloon me want to see today. I don't want to see them, you see. I'm sorry, but God know me no want, you see, we can't bother with Market G and something that, and see. Probably later on in the night, I might go listen to what them say, because Peter them talk, you know. pay that the police them talking because they don't do nothing at all for the youth them. You see sports, and we go close by saying, you see the thing called sports and good conscious music at that gardener. You see when one little man come from Brazil and have Jesus save right name in him back. One man with the same old. You know see it? Have Jesus save right name shirt back and carry to make a guy World Cup. I'm gonna believe in a Jesus. Jesus saving having in you man remember that. When you push in the politics, when you talk all manners of things. Jamaica got World Cup 1998. A PG when I won the country. When it's a PG not do nothing. Jump for Jamaica in 18 years. And I'm doing PG time, Jamaica got World Cup. All the private sector then come in and run the football because if you have a head coach, a coach a team, the coach living in the country and structure your football program. Now coach have to come when time when have match and all them sitting there. A coach have a day so with way and teach you them football and structure the football program like a really someone used to do. That's why on a face and go reach World Cup so easy. Eh? Because the talent there, you know. The point whisper and a dictionary them youth. The talent there. That's when Craig Butler telling us to Jamaica, yeah man, on the last Craig Butler to scan. In a seat. Jamaica can win World Cup with January because the players them there, the youth them there. I don't see organization. So we tell us say, because we produce the fastest man in the world. And right now we have one of the best female football in the world, Bunny Shaw. That's why when Bailey in the 2-1 play for the Iyah, you can't blame the youth. And sometimes Bunny Shaw don't want to play for the country. You can't blame the youth. Look how Jamaica dominate all in the scene. Netball. Dominate netball. Sports unify people. Sports bring joy and happiness to the people. And that gardener. Gardener, no, you see, yeah man, I'm telling you. That gardener. Sports bring love. Because when you say balls to dominate, all gun put on. Everybody get up in a halfway tree and knock them Dutch patch for and all them see. And look one under to Usain Bolt. Look one to the ball. And no nothing significant anymore for Usain Bolt. And no one tell man, no see it, no see it. A Porsche seems to Milla when say boy, should have feed them fish. I repeat to me say yesterday. On time right now, I write my history. But then I write it for me. 1977, I say 1977. He was the best 12-year-old footballer in a Chilani, a good old Western Jamaica too. Bumpy went 13-year-old. Bumpy a 1 year older than me. None of them couldn't play football like me, like Fucky Bet. None of them couldn't play football like Fucky Bet. Because when I 12-year-old, I play Corner League. When I 12-year-old, I play, you understand me? I play in the Under 16 final. When I 12-year-old, I part of Jablocks Corner League team. They put me on. When Jablocks have people like Uncle Zai, Cruyff, Coastline, Pinky Smith, Bunches, Bobby Red, Cena Bones. Kind of the picture. Picture says 1,000 words. Go post up all the pictures, them Jablocks. Come have a shield right now. I'm a yard. The shield, the Corner League shield. Because I come and win the Corner League shield in a 83. When time pick a bone, even change up the street thing and put it by Iyah. Downtown. When time I Yatta, I score the winning goal. When they beat up grass piece, a center. In a seat. With all Warp they play for grass piece. Warp was my third best defender. And I kept Warp and mix up Warp and all them sitting there. When you see me, until I want normal footballer. Self-praise is no recommendation still, but you have to write the history and talk about the history. When I am 12 years old, I'm the best 12-year-old footballer in Western Jamaica. I want to know that. Just like when Jesus was 12 years old, Jesus sit down with doctors and lawyers and conscious panel levels and gain consciousness. When I am 12 years old, Yeah, man, I sit down with peer sports people, Picky Brown and I see the Uncle Zion in Monday. Because they are sent out with it, I hear Picky Brown, they compare a little boy like me with Noah. Because Picky Brown, they say me a better baller than Noah. Me a more skillful baller than I'm seeing a Bones, you know. Give me one normal footballer, you see me? That's why Sean always tell my son say that I Knibb. Say you know good like your father boot place, Shana Van de Souza. And that used to tell Knibb. I want people to know say when we put on number 16 at Knibb. That's what this is the only thing I get from Knibb. And I cherish it. Because I hang up this on me, me, myself and wife Gimmi now. I mean just take it down, just free away. Because to Mr. Falloon, I come and Knibb today. I'm going to meet Mr. Falloon. The man who give me the name Breda Milla. He said when we put on number 16 number at Knibb and Sean take up it. Right through in football career, Sean playing number 16. Ask Sean the reason why I'm playing number 16. And right through Sean, youth them, in two son them, football career, a man row. Number 16 in playing now. Ask Sean Van de Souza why I'm playing number 16. Because when time, at the beginning of the football season, we don't look out, when time we are Mushe Tiger, go over when Knibb and Mushe play, I'm just ready to tie them. I want you to come chat in bag of crap. But we never used to play for Knibb and this and blah. Because we never see me up and down for the school compound. In time, when I'm in a classroom, I do my school work. I'm glad when I do school work and I do school work and I show the girls in my work. Because when I done my exam now, I just go to them beside me. I'm not show them my works. I mean, I call the girls them name. The brightest boy in the 9th grade. And the brightest boy in the 10th grade. And I play schoolboy football. I couldn't hardly go to school. Some of them make it to school, but I don't miss school. Because I know what it is. I'm glad to me struggle to go through school. You know, say it. I'm glad to me read the Bible. I don't want to read no more. I don't want to read no more other book than the Bible. And you hear me, brother? This is my story. I'm flexing in Babylon different. You know, see it. Yeah, I'm not really act. I'm not really trust no one act or bumpy Gimmi. First time I wear Nike, you know. I believe the first book Nike book we get, you know. I will not play for Knibb, you know. When Nike just a company scene, you know. When Nike just a company scene. This is one, I'm going to be almost an hour. If 10 people watch this one, you're glad if 10 people watch it. You go sign off, you know. You know, see. Because I'm going to make land or somebody who verse. Because I go to have education, you know. Good when you have education, you know. Because I have a cousin there, you know, in land there, you know. I'm land there, you know. I'm going to monitor me thing, you know. Because the man tell me, say, boy, I'm in a position now, I can't get money off of you. But I'm not too worried about that money part time. I just want to keep the content them on the levels and go and do my works. That's what I say. I'm going to say, I'm going to make it with half now. But the power, I'm not top behind the cover mark. I hope so they want to get reach to people. I'm going to put up more content. Right. All of me say Twinkle Brothers morning. Go and interview. Iyah want me to go do what thing a Dumbo. A Dumbo beach. Harmony Park. Iyah wants to go Dumbo beach. Because Iyah tell me say boy I can't be. Iyah say if me mad I'm crazy. What me do on the highway. Because I can't run out. He was say when every car fly past me, he was saying fret. Because car they wouldn't have where they wouldn't have building. You know see it? Pick up yourself here. Right. Sometimes I hear talk and I hear reason, I feel laugh. The best of life, brother, and my school days life. You know see it? Because when I tell you about power, I tell him, brother, the man is living by name power, brother. Now he was talk about a bubbler. When bubbler part of the two sides and bubbler are the first man, no one no game. Bubbler will fret. Anytime Jug is sick, bubbler fret. The bubbler no one going on the goal. Something to talk about, brother. And Iyah Mr. Falloon, I pass through a Knibb today. So I go just, I making give me a couple speech and stuff. When I hear Mr. Falloon. I take a picture and send it to Mr. Falloon. Yeah man, so me I sign now because I now, I now make it pass an hour. So I do certain things said. You know see. In a minute school, never looks, never see the man today. Who give me the name Bed Milla? I'm gonna take a picture with him, try to get him by himself. I'm gonna take one with him. I just one love. Big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. You know see it? Yeah man. I just one love. I can't do Bob Marley. And Michael Pitney. Yeah man. Yeah man, I move on. I step on. Yes, Michael Pitney. Yeah man, yeah man. Yeah man, I move on, I know. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yeah man. Fit. And William Light. Big up all in school, them. Who support them? Yes, Iyah.